10.2. Earlier we have converted hours into minutes, minutes into seconds, and days into hours. Today we are going to do conversion of hours into days. Today we are going to convert hours into days, minutes into hours, and seconds into minutes. So let's see with first question, conversion into days and hours. 912 hours. What's the relationship between hours and minutes, hours and days? Days और hours का relation क्या होता है? 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Yes. So you will convert 912 hours into days. So it means 1 hour is equal to 1 upon 24 days. Yes. By this, अगर 1 घंटे में 24 hours हैं, तो 1 hour में how many days? 1 upon 24. It means you have to divide this. So it will be 9, 1, 2. You are converting. Again I am telling you, you are converting smaller unit into bigger unit. अब hours बड़े होते हैं कि days? Days बड़े होते हैं. You are converting smaller unit into bigger unit. So you have to divide. You have to divide it by 24. It will be 24. 3 the 72. 11 minus 2, 9. 8 minus 7, 1. You will bring this down. 24. 8 the 192. So you will get 38 days. What is the answer? The answer is 38 days. Again, now moving to next part. 1320 hours. इसको आपने days में convert करना है. Firstly, what's the relationship between days and hours? क्या relation है days और hours का? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Yes. अब आपको hours को days में convert करना है. Means smaller unit को bigger unit में करना है. Yes, so it means you have to divide it. It will be 1 hour is equal to 1 upon 24 days. You will divide it 1320 divided by 24. 24 5 the 120. 2 3 में से 2 गए 1. 0 में 1 में से 1 गए 0. You will bring this 0 down. It will be 120. So the answer is 55 days. The answer is 55 days. Here. Now moving to question number 2. Convert into hours and minutes. It means you have been given minutes. You have to convert it into hours. As we already know, there are 3 units of time: hours, minutes and seconds. When we convert minutes into hours, means we are converted from smaller unit to bigger unit. Smaller unit से bigger unit के लिए आप क्या करते हो? Divide. And what is the relation between minutes and hours? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. It means 1 minute is equal to how many hours? 1 upon 60. क्योंकि हमने divide कर दिया इसमें. Smaller unit से bigger unit में convert करने के लिए always remember you have to divide, and relation between hours and minutes is 1 minute equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So you will divide 660 by 60. 6. You will bring the 0 down. It will be 11 hours. What is the answer? 11 hours. Now moving to B part. 1750 minutes. Again you have to convert minutes into hours. Yes. Smaller unit से bigger unit में. It means you have to divide. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 hours. Yes. Then 1750 divided by 60. 60 to the 120. 550. It will be 540. Now children, you can see 10 is remainder. It means the answer is 29 hours 10 minutes. Remainder will be in minutes. Hours and minutes are given to you. It means 29 hours 10 minutes. If nothing is given in remainder, it means just 29 hours. But here we can see remainder is 10. So you will write 29 hours. Now moving to the next question of this exercise. You have to convert into minutes and seconds. Seconds are given to you. You have to convert it into minutes. It means seconds and minutes. Which is a smaller unit? Second. Smaller unit से bigger unit में करना है. It means you have to again divide, and relation between minutes and seconds is 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 minutes. It means you have to divide by 60. 780 divided by 60. It will be, bring the 0 down. 63 the 180. So answer is 13 seconds. 13 minutes. Answer is 13 minutes. Now B part 1500 seconds. Again you have to convert seconds into minutes. Smaller से bigger unit. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 second. 1 upon 60 minutes. 1500 divided by 60. The answer is 25 minutes.